Good morning. Thank you for being here with me today. If you were to ask me who I am 25 years ago when I was a kid, I would have told you, well, my name's Nathan Williams. I'm this tall. I weigh this much. I live here. I would have described to you physical things. But if you were to ask me that same question now, I would give you a completely different response. I would say that I'm a spiritual being experiencing the physical. And those things that I described myself as all those years ago are actually labels that the world has just given me, society has given me. When we break things down to the base level of who we truly are, it strikes me that actually we're just spiritual beings experiencing the physical. And that's what this meditation is going to be based on today. I'm going to be giving you I am affirmations that will remind you of who you truly are, so you can approach the rest of the day feeling empowered. Because when we describe ourselves physically, we limit ourselves. But when we describe ourselves spiritually, then we become limitless. And when I say these affirmations, I just want you to allow them to sink into your subconscious mind. Just focus on my voice and feel at ease and secure with my presence. Because this morning's going to be a good morning for you. Let's begin. I am a spiritual being in a physical body. I am a being with unlimited potential to become who I choose to be. I am going to have a successful, productive day. I am going to remind myself today that these worldly problems are nothing in comparison with the grand consciousness that is. And I am a part of this grand consciousness. I am a spiritual being that was born with purpose. I am ready to take on the day with this in the back of my mind. I am so much greater than the limits that society puts upon me. I am aware that my perceived limitations are actually lies and deceit. I am beautiful, I am brilliant, I am limitless. I hope you enjoyed these morning spiritual affirmations today. Have an incredible day. Thank you for being here.